Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I made a video the other day about thinking of selling SCHD because it has been underperforming and the S&P 500 has been killing it for the past year-ish. Like, if you follow the S&P 500 or the market or the stock market, you know that the S&P 500 is up around 17-18%, which is mind-boggling. And I had a lot of positive reviews. Thank you so much for the reviews, or for watching the video, and for the comment, and for giving your opinion. This has been more than expected. I didn't think much people were going to watch the video, and I'm being honest, because and I thank everyone that has commented and watched the video. I'm very grateful, and this is what I wanted. I wanted a conversation. I want to be real with you guys. Like I said, this is life. We all have our issues, our stuff going on in our personal life, and it's wonderful, it's beautiful, it's very educational to give out bullet points and telling you on a graph how great and how much you should invest and all that stuff. And my thing is, I want to get more personal. That's why I've been lacking of uploading videos. I wanted to get more personal, in the sense that, look, I'm not in my 20s any longer. I'm, almost in my 40s, almost, not yet. And I was talking to a friend of mine, very close, and we were talking to each other about our life. And he told me something that I didn't grasp. He told me, I think you feel resentment. You're resentful because maybe you didn't start early in life. Like investing, early in life investing. And he hit the nail on the coffin. Like, was that the right phrase? Right now I'm blanking it. But he told me something that it opened my mind. I'm still camera shy. So he told me something that I kind of knew, but he just told me out of it. Like, hey, you're resentful, you're angry because you didn't start your journey early in life. And he's damn right. He's right that I didn't start sooner. I should have. When I was like in my 20s, I had a conversation with a friend of mine. I still remember to this date that we were supposed to go the next day to the bank. I think he told me, hey, we can go to the bank and kind of invest in the stock market. And we kind of agreed to go on the next day. And honestly, I didn't go. I had other things. At the moment, it sounded like, hey, like, yeah, I want to go. Like, it sounded wonderful. Hey, let's invest your money. But I was young, I was dumb, and I chose to do other things. And that person is doing so well right now. And that's it is. I feel angry. And I know I shouldn't. But, hey, it's something that I have to work on. And I tell you, if you're young, please invest your money. Hanging out is cool at the moment. Having a blast, it's very fun. It's good to have, your moments. But I urge everyone that's young, please, don't believe the hype. Yeah, you can, get paid, buy something that you really truly want, or that you don't need but want. However, at the same time, invest a portion of your money. Please, I beg of you. One day, you're gonna wake up and you're gonna regret it. I've been regretting a lot of things in my life. And again, I thank everyone that watched the video and that comment. I really appreciate it. And for the subs, it's really something. You know, I start off with 0 subscribers. Then I have a few comments, and I woke up today 312. And you would think that the journey should have been sooner. I mean, like, getting to as much subs as possible. But I really appreciate the subs that I have and the people that really watched. You matter. Yeah, I want to have a conversation, a deeper conversation. It's okay to talk about, you know, again, to talk about, you know, how much the S&P 500 has done in the past, you know, 60 or decade. You know, it's fun. But fun doesn't last forever. Reality does. Life does last forever. And I want to get, you know, more personal. Yeah, and share my journey. And it's possible, but I wish I had started years ago, not about 2 years ago. And I'm not gonna edit this video. It's gonna go uploaded the way it is, even though I made some mistakes. That's how personal I want to get with you guys. And hopefully I get better along the way. Thank you so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.